Hey guys, today
What's up?
we're going to teach you guys how to make a dachi.
Yeah.
So you want to start with a whole paper.
Yeah. You want me?
Big, so you pick the color that you want. I'm picking purple.
And I'm picking red.
So once you have the paper, you want to fold it in half, long ways. So hold on, you have to connect the corners like this. So connect the corners.
Okay.
Once the corners are connected, then you fold down the crease. So you have it exactly like this. It looks like a little sandwich. So let me help Sebastian fix his, because his is a little, see, it shouldn't look like that. We grab it and we connect the corners. So you connect the corners. Once the corners are connected,
yeah, and
like
you're going to need another paper to do it.
Once you have your corners connected like that, hold on, Sebastian. Don't fold another paper. Then you go ahead and you make your creases so that it creases in the right place. So
but are we making a video, Mom?
Yeah, it's a video.
And
so it's like once it's creased down the middle, you see it should be perfect. So it should be from one corner to the next. If not, just go ahead and fix it.
Yeah.
Until the corners connect perfectly.
Yeah.
And you have a perfectly shaped paper that's in half, because what you're gonna do next, I'm gonna have to help Sebastian with this part because we're gonna use scissors. We're gonna grab and you're gonna cut down the crease of the paper.
Yeah, and I'm gonna fold this one, and I'm gonna do this. This is good, right?
And if you don't have the ability, or if you don't have scissors, you can always use two papers and fold them in half.
Yeah, and you can just whip them off the hand.
But I'm gonna go ahead and cut mine in half.
Yeah, And I should cut mine in half, but I don't have scissors. Mom has. Because Mom is using it first.
I already cut your paper in half. You're gonna use that first one.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, first you want to put them on top of each other.
Yeah, so you wanna stack them.
And you want to fold them.
So you grab one like this, and then you put the other one like this, but you want to make sure they're in the center. So I'm gonna lay it down so I can center it. And
you want to close them down and do them good.
Yeah, once they're centered, you're gonna wanna. Let's see if I can do this. So you want to have it like that.
Yeah.
And then you want to fold them into each other. So let me go ahead and fold mine.
Yeah, I thought it go with mine.
So I'm going to make sure it's in the center. So I'm going to fold the bottom in there. So I have one. Now I have the other one. Now I have the other one. And then my last piece here. So essentially, once you've folded all the corners, you should get a perfect square, okay?
I cannot get a perfect square. I think I did.
You did or you didn't?
I think I did.
Let's see. So let's just fold Bastion's creases to see if he got a perfect center or a perfect square. And he actually didn't. So let's fix Bastion's.
Aha!
So we're gonna center it. I'm gonna center it. Let's see if we can find the center here. And then we're gonna fold.
Well, you're gonna send this video to YouTube?
Yeah. I'm gonna upload it right now in a little bit.
Yeah, it's be done. I think everyone's gonna watch this because don't want to make dachi from chicken. And we're gonna name it "How to Make Dachi from Chickens."
Okay. Yeah. So let's see.
That looks almost good.
So now that we folded all of his corners appropriately, now it looks like a perfect little square. See, like mine.
Yeah.
So should kind of hide behind each other. All right.
Now you want.
All right. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold your corners in. So you unfold one side and then you kind of fold it from the corner down here. Let me
Like you have
fold
to
it
do
and then
this.
show you what
You
it
have to
looks
do
like.
this.
Yeah, give me just a second. So
I
you
tried
fold
this.
it so it looks like this.
Yeah, huh?
And then you kind of do the same thing on the opposite side.
Yeah.
So you bring it in,
Yeah.
fold it. So you should have something that kind of
Yeah,
looks
and
like
we're gonna.
this.
And I'm learning to how to make a
So
red
now
one.
you're gonna repeat
And
the same.
And here's learning to how to make a purple one.
Yeah, you're gonna repeat the process on the other side.
Yeah. And you want to think you like almost did it, but.
So it's gonna look like this
Yeah.
once you're done folding it.
But I don't know how to do that, Mom.
Okay, let me help you. Hand it over.
Okay.
So again, we're gonna extend them.
Oh yeah,
like this.
after Mom, after this
fold the
video, we're
corner
gonna
here.
learn how to make a box video, like a box dachi, how to make it. But
And then-
first, we have to find a video on how to make a box one, and we can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fold the corners
Yep.
on each side.
Yeah. And
Alright, so now his dachi looks kind of like a star too. So
yeah. So give it back
or
to me.
his papers, because it's not a dachi yet. So then you grab the folded ones and you kind of fold them
Okay.
together. So you'll start with something like this.
So how am I gonna do that?
So you go like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Like that.
Oh.
And
Oh man, we lost our center. Gotta make sure it stays where the creases were. Because if we don't put it where the creases were, then it doesn't fold properly. Okay. And then you grab this one
Yep.
and you tuck it in. So you'll open this one up and then you just kind of tuck it in.
Yep. In the final piece, you have to put the thing inside the thing.
And then this side, you tuck it into this, underneath this right here. You just tuck it in like this.
And that's how you make a dachi. And that's how you make a dachi from Squid Games.
So
This is
let
how
me
you make a
finish-
dachi.
Let me finish mine.
This is how you make a dachi. Yeah, you want to make a box dachi? We're going to wait to
And
the...
then boom.
Yeah,
We have
and,
two. So now we have a red one, that's Bastion's, and a purple one, that's mine.
and we're going to review how to make a box dachi.
And this is how you make a Squid Game dachi.
And we're going to review how to make a dachi box.
All right, bye.
Bye, we're going to review.